Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Psychonomia. There are still plenty of mysteries about how the brain works, but researchers have uncovered a number of things about the human brain. For example, did you know that while the brain makes up just 2% of our overall weight, it takes up about 20% of our energy? Check out some more interesting facts about the brain. 9 quick facts about the brain. There are still many mysteries about the human brain, but researchers have uncovered a number of interesting facts about how it works. Here are 9 quick facts to get you started on the path to a better understanding of the brain. 1. It's heavier than you might think. The average adult human brain weighs approximately 3 pounds and tends to be larger in males than in females. It's also one of our body's biggest and fattiest organs. 2. It's mostly water. The human brain is composed of approximately 75% water, as well as fat and protein. 3. It grows tremendously from infancy to adulthood. The average weight of a newborn human infant brain is about 350 to 400 grams, or 3/4 of a pound. That means it grows to 4 times its original size from infancy to adulthood. 4. It's made up of billions of neurons. Recent estimates suggest that the average adult brain contains approximately 86 billion nerve cells, also called neurons. Neurons are the messengers in our brains, carrying information and communicating with our sensory organs, our muscles, and each other. 5. It's also made up of billions of glial cells. Recent research has shown that the belief that there are 10 glial cells for every 1 neuron is false. The ratio is closer to 1:1. Glial cells make up approximately half of the brain and spinal cord, though this ratio can vary from one spot to the next. Glial cells perform a range of functions, including acting as a glue to hold neurons together. They also perform housekeeping functions by cleaning up excess neurotransmitters and supporting synaptic growth. 6. It can form new cells, even in adulthood. The brain continues to form new connections between neurons throughout our lives. Old beliefs suggested that the brain was fairly set in stone early in life, but neuroscientists now know that the brain never stops changing. 7. It requires a lot of energy to function. While it represents only about 2% of the body's total weight, the brain requires about 20% of the body's oxygen and 25% of the body's glucose. 8. Traumatic brain injuries are prevalent. Among children and adults between the ages of 1 and 44, traumatic brain injury is the leading cause of disability and death. The most common causes of these traumatic brain injury include falls, motor vehicles crashes, and assaults. 9. Our brains have actually been getting smaller. The average size of the human brain has decreased by about 9 cubic inches over the past 5,000 years. This may be due to the fact that our bodies have also gotten smaller over time. The like button if you are one on them. If you want to know more fascinating secrets of human psychology, do subscribe our channel and don't forget to push the notification bell.